This is our greenhouse, which is located in Karnataka, India country. This is constructed in 10 Gumta and it was costed around 11 lakh, and with subsidiary it was costed for us around 5 lakhs. So here we grow capsicums or cucumber, or some of the place we reserve it for the nursery. In the nursery we grow something like tomatoes or chili. Currently we have kept for tomatoes. Greenhouse are having major advantages over growing any kind of the crop, because it will protect crop from environmental conditions, something like currently outside it is heavily raining, and every day the rain, due to rain, lot of plants have died and we cannot grow anything. But due to this greenhouse we have somehow able to maintain some of the crops properly. That's the reason we grow here tomatoes, and they will be coming with high yield. See, this is some hardly 22 days old cucumber plants which we have put. So today is the 22nd day, and we can see the results how speedily they have grown. And in that, if we don't cut these notches of this cucumber, they will start providing cucumber early, and it leads to lower growth of the plant as well as lesser number of cucumbers in the future. So we are letting this plant to grow little bit higher side, and later we will be start cultivating the cucumbers from this one. That's the reason already we have almost removed, but even though some of the places these notches have come, just we will be removing it. So means it is 22nd days. As it become 22nd days, we will be cutting similar way for another 1 week, means hardly around up to 30 days we should cut the notches of the cucumbers to have better growth of the cucumber in the future. Even though otherwise what will happen, this is the outside condition of the land, where due to heavy rain it has been completely spoiled, and we cannot, already we have put it for a cluster, but nothing is being grown here. This is the reason why the greenhouses are very mandatory. We can grow any kind of the. So thanks for watching this video. If you want any kind of information related to greenhouse or cropping, please let me know in the comment section. I will be updating related videos, or I will be texting you in some information. So I will be giving whatever the information I know from our end. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again. Bye bye.